Namaskar. We will learn today how to find the height of a tower, tree or any other object. So how to find it? We can find it with the help of trigonometry. Yes, trigonometry की help से हम इसे find कर सकते हैं. Let us see how to find it. Let us assume that this AB is any object. Okay, कोई tree भी हो सकता है, कोई tower, मीनार, it can be any tall object जिसकी height हमें measure करनी है using trigonometry. Fine. तो किस तरह मेजर कर सकते हैं? If we have to make a right angle triangle so that trigonometry can be applied. दो पॉसिबिलिटी यहाँ हो सकती हैं. अगर आप राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में ये एंगल 45 लेते हैं, then also you can apply the trigonometry. You take any other angle other than 45 degree, then also you can apply it. Okay? यहाँ पर सबसे easy solution होगा. और if you take any other angle तो थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन आपको करना पड़ेगा. That's it. Okay? So let me explain you the concept. Suppose triangle हमारे पास है ABC and we know that tan theta in triangle is equal to perpendicular upon base. In this triangle, perpendicular will be the side opposite to this angle. Okay, the opposite side to this angle is AB. So this AB is perpendicular, and this side is base, and side opposite to 90 degree angle is hypotenuse. So here perpendicular is AB upon base BC. Okay, now if we keep the angle 45 degree, then tan 45 we know this is equal to 1. It means this AB upon BC will be equal to 1, and hence AB will be equal to BC. Okay, and this is the concept which will lead you to the answer very quickly. Still there are few tricks which you have to apply. You need to see the complete solution, then only you will understand. Measuring angle is not going to be easy. Okay, easy नहीं है. उसको easy कैसे बनाना है? Let us think about it. Okay, we use one device and that device name is clinometer. So what we do, we take a protractor. Okay, and protractor के इस side में we paste some hollow pipe. Okay, some hollow pipe with diameter is like just enough to see through. Okay, यानी जिससे दोनों साइड इजीली हम देख सकें, बस इतने डायमीटर होना चाहिए. बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं लेना है डायमीटर और बहुत छोटा भी नहीं लेना है. So you can take any such diameter and you can paste over here. One hole is there from where the angle are measured. Okay, all angle are measured from that point only. Okay, in that hole only you have to fix one thread, and with the thread you have to fix one weight. Okay, छोटा सा weight आपको attach करना है so that thread remains straight. क्योंकि थ्रेड अगर स्ट्रेट नहीं होगा then you cannot measure angle properly. Now this device you have to keep here, okay, into your level of eye. Remember, when you are measuring something in your level of eye, then obviously some height is also there. This is height of your eye level. Okay, suppose height of eye level. Fine. For example, we can say this is 170 centimeter. Fine. Just for an example, we can say the height of eye level is 170 centimeter. Then what will be the height of this building from the ground level? Okay, this is the level of ground. Now what are we doing? We are putting this clinometer here in such a way that this angle becomes 45 degree. Okay, now how to keep it? We'll keep it here in such a way that this angle what we measure from here, this angle is 90 degree. Okay, now how to measure it? Just see, when we twist it from here, this is vertical. Okay, so this angle will be equal to what? Same this, because 45 degree angle तभी होगा when these two are also equal. Fine. So this angle is 90 degree and these two will be 45 and 45. So if you measure from there, okay, this will be 45 degree. You measure from there, this will also be 45 degree. Fine. So this is our required angle, okay, theta, which is 45 degree, and this is the exact angle of elevation of this top of the tower. Fine. तो अब हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं अपना कॉन्सेप्ट. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्सेप्ट वी हैव ट्राइंगल ABC where we can measure easily the BC distance. Okay, from this point with the help of thread or any instrument we can easily measure this distance. Okay, from this point till the foot of the tower or foot of the tree. and whatever is this distance, this will give us the value of height of the tree. Okay, now according to the same concept, when we get BC, we can get AB, but this AB is not the actual height. The actual height of the building is this much. So actual height of tree or tower or any other object is equal to this BC, whatever we have measured, okay, plus this height of our eye level. Okay, the height of our eye level is 170 centimeter. Okay, just one example I have taken. Okay, it can vary when you do experiment. It can be anything according to your height, according to your level of eye. Okay, तो जितना height है वो आप ले लीजिए. When you add these two, you will get the total height. Okay, and unit also you can take anything. You can take in meters also, in feet also, in centimeter, whatever unit fits to you. Okay guys, so this is the way we can find height of any object using trigonometry. You can do this experiment at your home also. You can find some object, some tree or some building or some tower near your home, okay, and with the permission of your parents, with the guidance of your parents or some elder person, you can do this experiment, okay, and you yourself can see the importance of mathematics, the importance and utility of mathematics and trigonometry especially, okay, in real world. Okay, this is just an example. When you explore the things, you will see how this clinometer need to be adjusted. Okay, that is a scientific attitude will develop, and that attitude will take you ahead in life. One student asked me, sir, is it necessary to take this angle 45? Okay, no. When this angle is 45, our calculation will be easiest. And if we take any other angle, suppose we take 50 degree. Okay, so what happens? Then also the question can be done. So tan 50 degree will be equal to the same thing. According to the trigonometry, tan theta is again AB upon BC for this triangle. But if we take this, the value of tan 50 degree we need to find. Here you need a long t table for these t ratios. Or you can find this value using your scientific calculators or Android mobile. Fine. So there, when you find this value of tan 50 degree, you will get to know by multiplication with BC and adding with the height of your level, eye level, you can again measure the actual height of the building.